You're welcome once more to CryptoZilla YouTube channel. So on this video, I want to show you a very quick way of making money through crypto arbitrage. I have a video on this channel on crypto arbitrage. As you can see on your screen, there's a video you can go back to watch and see how that is being done. But on this today's version of arbitrage on crypto, I want to show you how you can buy cryptocurrencies from one exchange to another, or how to spot which cryptocurrencies and where to buy, and what are the factors you should consider while making choices of the cryptocurrencies you want to buy. But first and foremost, I'll be taking you to a platform that will show you statistics of these cryptocurrencies. Yeah, will show you a market forecast and the exchanges in which you can buy at a low price and as well sell at a higher price on the next exchange. So stick around, I'll be right back to show you this. Yes, you are welcome back. On a quick one, I want to show you the cryptocurrencies you can buy and sell from a particular exchange to another exchange. So basically, we'll be making use of this first platform called coinmarkets.com. CoinMarket is actually a crypto market platform. It showcases or focuses market prices of different currencies, different cryptocurrencies. It shows you the statistics of what you need to see, what you should expect to see on different exchanges. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to coinmarket.com and sign up an account and log in. So I will advise you do this on a PC or a desktop, so you have a clearer view or a complete view of what you should expect to see in the different markets on this platform. So on this arbitrage, buying cryptocurrency from a particular exchange to another exchange, most cryptocurrencies, if you transfer from an exchange to another, you pay a huge amount of a huge money for as transfer fees, most especially coins that are on Ethereum network. So on this type of arbitrage, you should be considering coins that have a lesser transfer fee, such as Litecoin or Tron, or coins on Polygon network, such as Matic and every other coin you should know on Polygon network. So those coins are actually having lower transfer fee when you are transferring from one particular exchange to another. So on this video, I'll be using Tron, for example, to show you what you need to do if you want to do arbitrage, crypto arbitrage, buying and selling on a different exchange. So when you come to coinmarketcap.com, the very first thing you need to do is to go to this search bar here. You search for Tron. So here we are. This is Tron. So you scroll down here, you click on markets. All right, if you look here, you have a full data of Tron markets. So here are the exchanges, Binance, Gate.io, and the rest of it. So the very first thing you need to do here is to go to pair here, pair Tron with USDT. All right, okay, pair Tron with USDT. After pairing with USDT, you click on price. So you sort it out by the price. So here it will list Tron according to its price in a descending order. If you see here 0.078, 0.688, that way downwards, as it keeps going down, the more the price becomes lower. So if you follow me to the very end of this video, I'll be giving you an extra tip on what the factors you should consider while making choices of exchange to buy and to sell. So, but before that, I want to show you here you should be considering the liquidity as well. If you click on liquidity here, click on liquidity, you see all these coins here. Here is having 730, 671, 657, 68, 648, and the rest of it. Please, anyone that has a liquidity of 0 or that doesn't have anything written on it at all, avoid such exchange. Don't go there. And also the volume here, if you sort according to volume, if you see 0.00% in any of these, please avoid that exchange. And also on confidence, I always go with exchanges that has high confidence on them. That is the exchanges I go with. So on this now, before you can start up, I will advise you register on up to 10 of these exchanges. Register on 10 of the exchanges. If you want to do crypto arbitrage, if you can register on 10 of these exchanges, you verify your account so you can increase your limits or you can, most exchanges won't allow you to withdraw or transfer if you've not done your KYC. So if you register about 10 of it, done your KYC, so you can come back to this platform and check the price differences and know which exchange you have and where to buy and where to sell. So basically, you should already know that before you can start up crypto arbitrage, you should have the USDT on standby on a warm exchange or any wallet, any USDT you want to use to do this arbitrage. You should have it already on standby. So this is not the kind of arbitrage you do with 20,000, 40,000, 50,000. You should have nothing less than 100,000. You should have from 100,000 and above before you can do this arbitrage and have any reasonable profit in addition to that. So on this now, since we've sorted on with price, we sorted with price here. So the next thing you need to do is to scroll down. Here you have a click exchange having 0.07809 as a price. On the volume is 0.0. To me, I don't go with exchanges with 0.0, but most persons take the risk, the bold risk. Even if the confidence is high, I ignore most exchanges with 0.0 here. I go with some that has a value added to it. Here, just like here, you have 0.27. And if you scroll down as well, you'll find some exchanges as well with value 0.01. So since we sorted with price, here, if you're having 0.27 here and 0. Here 1.31, the price here is 0.0631 and the price up here is 0.0333. So there are slight price difference between the two of them. So you should take advantage of these price differences. Now also if you sort now by, let's sort by this volume here. All right, if you watch closely here, these ones are having moderate confidence. Here is also having a moderate confidence. This one is having 8.35 as a volume, and the price is high on it, 0.6298. Why this one is having 0.7809? These two exchanges are good to go. You can buy here and sell here. You transfer your USDT from one particular exchange which you've bought from, send it to another exchange which is this, which one if you have an account on that, you send on that, and also you ensure that the exchange would allow you to withdraw. Please do your research properly before you engage in any of this, so you don't make losses while trying to make profit. Please, and please, if you are new to crypto, do well to learn first before you get engaged in any of this, so you don't make mistakes. And also, to be giving you an extra tip on for those of you who will be following this video to this very point. If you look here, you just go to the search bar here, search for Litecoin. We're on Litecoin page already. You just have to search for Litecoin here. Yeah, so you bring it to this Litecoin page. Then you scroll down to the markets. Let's scroll down and see. At this point, if you look at the overview here, this is the overview. But this section here, you click on the markets. Currently, it's trading at $62.36 here, as you can see. 62.36. So if you watch at the exchanges you're looking at here, Binance is top exchange here. It's trading at 67.2. This one's trading at 65.35, and their confidence is high, extremely high. Now let's sort by. Let's first of all go to USDT pair here. Go to USDT pair. Let's pair with USDT and see. All right, when you pair with USDT, you see that the top exchange here is trading at 65.9. But let's sort by price and see. Okay, now the highest Bitstamp is trading at 65.90. PancakeSwap is trading at 64.05. B2BX exchange is trading at 63.81. So you see that there's a massive price difference between these first three exchanges. If you scroll down, an exchange here is also trading. This exchange having high confidence. Gate.io is trading at 62.43 here. Then this one having the highest price of 65.90. So it's a very nice opportunity. You can buy from Gate.io. It's at 62.43. It's having a high confidence. Also having high confidence here at this exchange, Bitstamp. you sell at 65.90. But guys, like I mentioned initially, if we are to use a 100,000 naira capital for this arbitrage, let's look at buying from this exchange. Let's assume we are buying from gate.io at 62.43 and our capital is 100,000. So let's do a little calculation on that and see what we start to gain if there is any profit at all. Now, so guys, remember our exchange rate now is 700 naira per dollar. So we'll be multiplying 700 by 62.43, which is the price at gates.io. So we'll be having 43,701. So let's see how many Litecoin we'll be buying with 100,000. So let's minus this now from 100,000 and see is 100,000 minus. So we'll be having 56,299. So we'll be buying 2 Litecoins from this, or let's do this other way around. Let's divide by this amount. Let's see how many Litecoin we're buying totally. So we can buy 2.288 Litecoin from 100,000 naira. So 2.88 Litecoin. So what we need to do next is to minus 65 points, because we are selling at Bit10 exchange, which is currently at the price of 65.90. 5.90 minus 62.43. So we'll be having a 3.47 as profit in one. Remember, we'll have 2.288 Litecoin. So we'll be multiplying this 3.47 now. 3.47 times 2.288. So we'll be making $7.9 from every transaction, a single transaction with 100,000 naira on this arbitrage. So 7.9 multiplied by 700, let's say the profit in naira by 700. So we'll be making 5,513 naira per transaction. So you remove 500, let's say 500 goes in as a transaction fee. So you'll be left with 5,000 naira as your profit on every single transaction. You do this repeatedly 3 times a day, 4 times, then in a month you should know what you come out with using this arbitrage method. But remember, always know that you should have to take note of the exchanges and the fluctuation in price. Some exchanges at the point will have a lower price, but as time goes on, it will catch up with every other exchange. So you should take note of this and do your swift transactions. Also, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification icon so you get notified whenever we make videos like this to help you make money online and on the crypto space. So, and also, you can do well to drop a comment in the comment section. Turn on, click on the like icon as well to encourage us to keep bringing up videos like this to help you make money, like I mentioned initially. This is CryptoZilla. Thanks for watching.